Hey everyone, I am Babita and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Malvani Chicken Curry. In Marathi it is known as Kombadi Sukka or Kombadi Cha Rassa. This is my mother-in-law's recipe and I'm so happy I learned it from her. It also happens to be my husband's favorite recipe and I try to make it on all special occasions. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate this chicken. For marination, I have ginger, garlic and coriander paste, so that I'm going to pour over this chicken. Next, I have some yogurt and now I'm going to mix them. I washed this chicken and cut it into the size I wanted. So the chicken pieces are properly coated with all of this marinade, and I'm going to let it marinate for around 20 minutes. So now for the curry, I'm going to add some oil into this pot here, and next I'm going to add bay leaves, and now I'm going to add some onion. Saute it just until it turns its color. To this I'm going to add tomato puree. Actually you can, I didn't have tomatoes with me, so I substituted it with tomato puree. You can add fresh tomatoes as well. And then now I'm going to add the chicken. To this I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, Malvani garam masala. I have the recipe for this garam masala on my blog, and salt. Now I'm going to mix it. Add some water. Cover it with lid and allow it to cook. I'm going to check and see if it needs more water, and it does need some more water, so I'm going to add that now. And now again I'm going to allow it to cook. I'm going to check and see, and I can see that the chicken is done. Now I'm going to add Watan. Watan is a coconut and onion paste, and this will help the curry thicken up. The recipe for this is on my blog, and I'm going to post it in the link below also, so you can check it out. The chicken is going to absorb all of the coconut onion flavor, and this curry is going to thicken up. So I'm going to allow it to cook, cover the lid and cook for another 10 minutes on slow to medium flame. This chicken is done and I like this consistency. If you want the consistency to be thicker, then you can add more Watan and also cook it for a little bit longer time. For me, I like this kind of consistency because it's perfect to eat with rice as well as the Malvani specialty of Kombadi Vade. So it's ready, and I'm going to serve it in a little while. Malvani chicken curry is done, and I'm going to serve it with these beautiful vades. I have also made a video for the vade, and you can check that. I'm going to post a link of that. And this is the traditional way chicken curry is paired with vade, and it's an absolutely delicious meal. So I hope you have liked this recipe for Kombadi Rasa, and if you have liked it, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also remember, I'm going to post a link to my blog with the full recipe and exact measurements in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Until next time, goodbye.